Hello everyone, this is Ruki from ProSmart CarTechs. We have installed Ghost 2 Immobilizer anti-theft system, which is a pin code system of this 2021 Mercedes GLE, and we're going to see how it works. We sit inside the car as usual, and we start the car. We press the brake and start it. The car will start, and we try to move the car. We put it in drive. As soon as I put it in drive, I shift the gear, the car will shut down immediately. This is how Ghost 2 system works. On this vehicle, the reason for this is because we have not entered the PIN code that we set or we initialized. This time, I'm gonna start the engine, and I'm gonna put the pin that I have set. If you look at there, it's gonna flash 2 times. The high beam, it means that the code is correct and it's confirmed, and we're good to go. The car won't shut down. So call us today at ProSmart CarTechs. We offer the best price in the market. Thank you and have a great day.